Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on repairing the control board of the Thermomix TM31. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to get your device up and running again. Let's dive right in. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any unnecessary damage to the components. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31. Safety is a priority when working with electrical appliances. Once unplugged, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the back panel removed, you can see the internal components. Inspect the control board for any visible damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any damage, use the multimeter to check for continuity in the affected areas. If you feel unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, if your control board appears dirty, take the isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to gently clean it. This will help eliminate any dust or residue that could hinder performance. Ensure that the board is completely dry before proceeding. Now, let's address any faulty connections. Carefully check all wiring harnesses connected to the control board. If any wires seem damaged or frayed, they will need to be replaced. You can find replacement parts online or through your local appliance store. If you don't have the tools or the time to perform this repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service ensures that you don't have to deal with the hassle of transporting your Thermomix. After securing all connections and replacing any damaged components, it's time to reassemble your device. Begin by carefully placing the back panel back onto the Thermomix TM31. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Before plugging your device back in, double-check that everything is properly connected and that there are no leftover screws or parts. Once you're confident, plug in the Thermomix and turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. If the device does not turn on, it may be time to consider professional help. We offer quotes before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. In conclusion, repairing your Thermomix TM31 can be a straightforward task if you follow these steps carefully. Remember to take your time and, if needed, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. With the right tools and knowledge, you can restore your appliance to full functionality. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.